How to change the default phone dialer app on your Nothing phone with Android 15, Nothing OS 3. When you're ready to do this, go ahead and use a quick access with a full swipe using two fingers and tap on the settings right here. Once in this section here now, you'll go to where it says Apps, this option right here. And as you enter into the Apps section, go down until you see Default Apps. Once here now, you'll see the different default apps settings and go to where it says Phone App. For the most part, your Nothing phone will most likely be using the system default, which is the Google Dialer app. And assuming you are signed into the Play Store already, you can go into the Play Store and install some free apps which are going to be compatible and must be compatible in order for them to show up here. So I've installed two more just to give you an idea of how it works. And once you select them, they're going to switch over to that default dialing app, and you can come back and change these at any given time, like and so.